Name of fruits. Apple. 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 Apple means save. Orange. 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 Orange means sangtara. Banana. Banana. Banana means kela. Mango. Mango. Mango means arm. Pear. Pear. Pear means nashpati. Peach. Peach. Peach means Urdu. Grapes. Grapes. Grapes means angur. Pineapple. Pineapple. Pineapple means anas. Fig. 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 Fig means an injir. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Pomegranate means anar. Watermelon. Watermelon. Watermelon means tarboos. Cherry. Cherry. Cherry means cherry. Guava. Guava. Guava means amrood. Papaya. 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 Papaya means papaya. Apricot. Apricot. Apricot means khubani. Raspberry. Raspberry. Raspberry means raspberry. Strawberry. Strawberry. Strawberry means strawberry. Plum. Plum. Plum means aloo bukhara. Avocado. Avocado. Avocado means avocado. Melon. Melon. Melon means kharboos.